Alright, today's video is going to be on house washing, just do's and don'ts. I'm just going to go over a couple little things before we get started. But I wanted to use this house as an example because it's probably one of the worst ones I've ever come across. A little more than I normally would. A little yellow, some red clay on the back, so I prepared some red. If you know, you know. All right, so now I'm just gonna add water to this. Just add water. We'll be ready to rock and roll. Alright, let's get this show started. I actually was able to wrap the hose all the way around the house and end up right back at the truck. Alright, let's crank up this 8. Get this show on the road. Damn. I know the rule is, hey, you start from the bottom, you watch from the bottom up. It doesn't really matter. I like to start from the top. As you can see, the front is almost ready to rinse. While I'm waiting for that to dwell a little longer, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the side. Oh, another thing too. As hot as I'm going, I usually like to try to tape over the doorknobs because we are using a corrosive.